Hello, and welcome to this troubleshooting guide in which we'll tell you how to get the most out of your Dimplex XL storage heater. In this troubleshooting guide, we will briefly be looking at the controls and how to operate them. If 1. Your heater is too cold. 2. Your heater is too hot. 3. The boost does not seem to work. 4. Your heater is cold later in the day. If after setting the controls correctly, as per the operating instructions, and running your heater for at least 24 hours, your heater does not appear to be operating correctly, the following may help. 1. If your heater is completely cold. First, check that it's switched on at the wall. If the switch is in the on position, make sure that the circuit is switched on at the consumer unit or fuse box. Next, ensure that the input control is set to maximum, and then after waiting 24 hours or after the charge period, the product should now be hot. Remember that in winter, it's best to have the input control at maximum. Thirdly, check all the other off-peak heaters are working. Has the heater been covered or obstructed? If so, the auto safety cutout may have operated and turned the heater off. If this is the case, you will need to call out a service engineer to reset the cutout. There will be a charge for this call-out. And finally, is it a new installation? If yes, you should contact your installer and arrange for the installation to be reached. Your heater is too hot. It's likely that the input control is set too high, so just turn the input control down, anti-clockwise. And after 24 hours, the heat output will be lowered. Then, readjust as necessary as per the operating instructions. 3. The output boost is not working. It is likely the output of the heater is already high enough. Set to minimum and retry later. You can also try setting the output boost at minimum before going to bed, and then to max during the evening of the following day. 4. Your heater is cold later in the day. The output control may have been left at maximum. It should be at minimum before going to bed. The input control may be too low and needs to be turned up clockwise. Remember, you will not see any change in the heater for 24 hours or until after the next charge period. If, after checking all these points, your heater still does not seem to be working correctly, please take the following steps. If it's in warranty, see our website under Customer Support After Sales and contact us directly. You will need to know the model and serial number of your product. The video Introduction to Storage Heating will tell you how to find this information. Out of warranty, see our website under Customer Support for a list of Dimplex service agents who will be able to help. Please remember that there will be a call-out charge. Finally, a word on safety. Dimplex heaters are built to the highest safety standards and comply with all European and UK regulations. But please remember to comply with these safety points to avoid any malfunction of the heater. Do not cover the heater with clothing or anything else at any time, or position furniture close to or against the heater. Do not attempt to remove the heater from the wall, even for decorating, as it's very heavy. The grill and top parts of the heater can get very hot. Ensure correct supervision of the elderly or infirm and young children. Ensure that there is a clearance of at least 250 mm, 10 inches, above and 75 mm, 3 inches, on either side between the heaters and curtains, or any other obstruction at all times. We hope you found these instructions useful, but if you need further information, you will find it on the website, including full product specifications, operating guides, questions and answers, local installers, and service information. www.dimplex.co.uk